Alrighty guys, y'all see that? Y'all see the steam coming from that wheel? Yes, she said her brakes lock up. Now I can determine which wheel it is. Okay, it's this one right here. Alright, you can still see some of the smoke. You can tell when you're driving it, guys. I don't know if y'all can see the smoke, but I can see it real good. Okay, this caliper is locking up. Now, I will say this. I had a hard time pushing this caliper in, all right, when I'm doing the brake jobs. So, because there's a problem with this caliper, I will go through with the rebuilding process. I'm going to go get a kit for this particular caliper, take it all apart, recondition it, make sure the piston will be free to move in and out. Guys, you don't hold off and just remove the whole caliper and take it to the bench. Alrighty guys, y'all see that? Y'all see the steam coming from that wheel? Yes, she said her brakes lock up. Now I can determine which wheel it is. Okay, it's this one right here. Alright, you can still see some of the smoke. You can tell when you're driving it, guys. I don't know if y'all can see the smoke, but I can see it real good. Okay, this caliper is locking up. Now, I will say this. I had a hard time pushing this caliper in, all right, when I'm doing the brake jobs. So, because there's a problem with this caliper, I will go through with the rebuilding process. I'm going to go get a kit for this particular caliper, take it all apart, recondition it, make sure the piston will be free to move in and out. Guys, you don't always have to replace your calipers. You can, they can be reconditioned. Let me put it, it's all about the seals, and in some cases the pistons. Okay, seals are really so it won't leak, but even if you don't have a leaking caliper, you can still get away with sometimes just replacing the seals and the piston. We're gonna find out when we tear it apart. All right guys, so y'all stay tuned. Alrighty guys, yes. This wheel is tight. That caliper is froze up. Caliper is locked up, guys, so we just did a brake job on it too. So I'm gonna take the wheel off and take the caliper off and essentially try to rebuild the caliper. I don't know, we'll have to see. Play it by ear. Let's get it. Ready guys, got the wheel off. Yes, this freaking caliper is stuck on his rotors. I barely made it in the shop. I was pulling against myself. So I'm gonna about to take this caliper off, guys. It's been a while since I overhauled the caliper. At least I'm gonna push the piston out. Yeah, it's a brand new brake job. We put new rotors and pads on it. So I'm gonna do traditional, the old way, guys. I haven't done this in a while. Take some vice grips and clamp off the feed to the caliper and take the bolt off. And just remove the whole caliper and take it to the bench and get it torn apart. All right, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It's been a while. Stay tuned. Shot. Caliper time. Sorry, we tried. Well, guys, that is a wrap. I was gonna rebuild this caliper. Y'all see my parts right here, but I can't seem to get the freaking piston out of this bore. All right, the traditional way you just blow and it pop right out, but this one is stuck. All right, we tried to let it soak with rust penetration, but it's stuck in. I don't think you want to use the caliper now at this point because you done we done damaged, so I had to get a new caliper. Ooh, welcome, man, welcome. Y'all see that sign? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all recognize my destination. That is right, guys. I am headed to the world famous pull apart. Yes. Alright, guys, y'all saw the beginning of the video. Brakes are locking up, guys. This is after we just did a brake job. Now I'm saying we because I had a helper, and I managed to turn it over to him while I do something else. Well, I was not informed that the right side, the passenger side front wheel piston was real hard to push in. Okay, guys, that is your first sign right there that you're having problems with a caliper. If you cannot easily, I wouldn't say real easy, but if you cannot press that caliper inward with a normal press tool or brake press caliper tool, then that caliper is headed for trouble, okay? Now, I went and bought a caliper overhaul kit, but I was going to simply overhaul the caliper because I'm trying to save money. The kit was $6, all right? But y'all saw the video. I cannot for the life of me get the piston out of the freaking caliper. Now, we have, in essence, ruined the piston by trying to force it out. So, what is my next step? You guessed it. Ooh, righty, guys. I'm out here. It's just, go figure, guys. Look at this. Y'all remember this? This is the one, yep. This is the one I snagged the ABS module off. All I need is, yes. Oh no. All I need is the right front caliper, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, all I gotta do is take off the 2 mounting pins. All right, we ain't gonna be out here all day, guys. Let's get this knocked out. What is this, 13? I do not want to be out here all day. In fact, I don't even have to remove the, oh no, did not bring the right socket. I do not even have to remove the cable. All right, guys, let's take 2 bolts and I'll take this out, right? Well, that's it, guys. Easy peasy. What y'all think? I still got a repair kit. If I have some time, I'm gonna go ahead and install that overhaul kit on this one. But I don't really got time. I gotta hurry up and get this out, so I'm just gonna throw this. And guys, before I came in, I asked her the going rate on brake calipers, and guess what she said? $17. All right. So now, but the reason I asked, because if it's even close, even near close to a new one, I'll just purchase a new one. Okay, but I think they $150 or $200 or something like that. So yeah, $17. Even if it's used, it doesn't matter, as long as it works. It's so worth it. All right, so let me get this and get up out of here, guys. Stay tuned. So if this stuck, I can bring it back, right?
30 days. Take a picture of this receipt just in case you lose it. At least get that. Right. The 30 day one? All right.
Alrighty, guys, $17. Let me go slap this on, and I should be complete with this brake job. All right, guys, stay tuned.